Hi, I'm Henry. I'm going to show you the water tank float valve kit and how to assemble it. First, what's in the box? You would get two 40-20 reducers, one with an accessory adapter, 50-40 reducer, the float kit that's not assembled, and the hash pipe. Let me show you how to assemble it. So to install, you would first put the 40-20 reducer with the accessory adapter on the outside of the tank. For the inside part, you would install the 40-20 reducer in there. And the first part of the float kit will go into that fitting. These can all just be hand tightened. The next step would be to assemble the shaft and the ball together. After that's screwed in, you can just screw it into the internal part of the mechanism. After that, we're going to install the hash pipe. The hash pipe is to lessen the hammering effect of the water. The float valve is adjustable to set the level of where it shuts off. So there's two ways to connect water to your tank. A more temporary solution would be just to click your hose pipe on there. Alternatively, for a more permanent solution, you can get a plumber to connect the tank to your water mains.